So just a quick public service announcement. There's been some kind of mystery dog illness going on for the past year, and the vets can't seem to find a cure. They don't know if it's bacterial or viral or fungal, but it's basically a kennel cough, and it can either be mild, medium, or very severe. And the dog could have it for 6 to 8 weeks, and it can even be fatal. Some dogs have died from this. So if your dog develops some type of a kennel cough and it's prolonged, make sure you get him to the vet, get him checked out. Maybe they can help, but allegedly they don't have any cure for it right now. So just take care of your creatures. Thank you. Okay, March.